Welcome to our overview and highlights for OEB's 2021-22 plan year. Open enrollment packets were mailed out on August 5th. We're using a smaller envelope again this year, and our booklet will only be available online. If you haven't seen it yet, keep an eye out for this envelope shown here with the red attention message on it. Inside, you'll find your personalized cover letter showing which plans are available to you, along with links to all our online resources. And you can always go to oebinfo.com to find everything you need on the OEB website. Enrollment is required this year, so starting August 15th, everyone does need to log in and make medical, dental, and vision plan selections for the 2021-22 plan year. OEBenroll.com is an easy way to get to the My OEB enrollment system. You can update your personal information like address or beneficiaries anytime, but open enrollment is the one time you can change your benefit enrollments without a life event like a birth or marriage. Open enrollment runs August 15th through September 15th for most members, but some employers close earlier and a couple community colleges run a little later, so be sure to check with your employer and know your specific deadline. So what's new for this plan year? All the same medical, dental, and vision plans will still be available. However, we are adding a new Kaiser Medical Plan and a new Delta Dental Plan. The new Kaiser Medical Plan 2B has a higher deductible and lower premium than the current Kaiser Plan 2, now called 2A. The new Delta Dental Plan, called the Exclusive PPO Incentive Plan, uses the exclusive Delta Dental PPO network, but it also offers an incentive to visit the dentist at least once a year, similar to Plans 1 and 5. This plan also has a higher benefit maximum than the other Delta Dental plans. Just be sure to use that exclusive PPO provider network because there is no out-of-network benefit. If you go outside the network for anything other than an emergency, services will not be covered. Kaiser and Moda will go over the details of these new plans in their own presentations, so be sure to watch those closely for more details. Some other improvements to the Moda medical plans are health navigators to help you find advanced imaging facilities, reduced copays for generic specialty medications on plans 1 through 5, virtual physical therapy visits with no member cost share, specialty behavior health programs with no member cost share on plans 1 through 5, pain management services, including Tai Chi, yoga, mindfulness, and pain management education, and gender-confirming facial surgery will be covered as of October 1st. On the Kaiser medical plans, there's of course the new Plan 2B I mentioned earlier, plus there will be new virtual care options for physical therapy and obstetrics. Kaiser plans already cover gender-confirming facial surgery, so now that benefit will be available on all OEB medical plans. For dental and vision, Kaiser Dental will have no copay for preventive dental visits. Willamette Dental will waive the office visit copay for a patient's first visit. And as I mentioned before, there's a new Delta Dental exclusive PPO incentive plan available. The only vision change is VSP plans are adding coverage for vision therapy services, which they'll discuss more in their presentation. And we're happy to announce our EAP services have gotten even better this year. If your employer has purchased EAP benefits for you, you will now have up to 6 counseling visits per person per issue, plus 4 weeks of digital coaching. This isn't a benefit you have to enroll in. Each employer decides whether to offer it to their employees, so just check your personalized cover letter to see if it's available to you. If so, be sure to watch the RBH presentation to learn about all the amazing resources they provide at no cost to you. One thing not changing this year is the OEB-PEB double coverage surcharge. This went into effect last October, so if you're affected, you probably already know about it. But if you have a dependent who is also eligible for OEB or PEB benefits and you're considering adding them to your medical plan this year, be sure to download the slides from this presentation and read the details. If you're not sure whether the surcharge will apply to you, this slide will help you figure it out. Note that the surcharge only applies to full-time active employees, double covering other full-time active employees, and it's only $5 a month. Looking ahead to January 2022, there's a new law going into effect that will expand the definition of eligible disabled dependents. If you have a disabled dependent, you may be able to add them to your plans effective January 1st if they meet the criteria shown here. Again, you can download the slides or visit the OEB website for all the details. And don't forget, we have these easy to remember URLs to help you find everything you need. OEBOnDemand.com is where you'll find the online open enrollment guide booklet and all the OEB and carrier presentation videos, slides, and handouts. OEBPlandocs.com is where you can find the rates and side-by-side plan comparisons. Keep in mind, the rates on this page are the full premiums your employer pays to OEB and not necessarily the amount you'll pay from your paycheck. Check with your employer for your specific coverage costs. OEBenroll.com is where you log in to enroll, and if you only remember one URL, remember OEBinfo.com. It's your one-stop shop, the homepage for the OEB website where you should be able to find anything you need. Would you like to receive text message reminders to help you remember to enroll? Go to oebreminders.com to sign up. The sign up page doesn't have the OEB logo on it, but you can see in the screenshot here, it has the OHA logo in the upper right corner. Just click subscription type and select SMS/text message, then enter your phone number and click submit. We'll send short reminder messages 2 or 3 times a week from August 15th to September 15th to remind you that open enrollment is required this year. Once you've enrolled, you can either ignore the rest of the messages or just go back to oebreminders.com to turn them off. It's super easy and a handy way to make sure you don't forget. If you have questions or need help, just call or email OEB Member Services using the information shown here. Staff will be available from 7 a.m. to 6 p.m. during open enrollment. Keep in mind we're closed weekends and holidays, and some employers close enrollment early, so don't delay. If you have questions, just let us know. We're happy to help. It's our privilege to serve you. We hope you have a happy and healthy year ahead. Thank you so much for watching.